Hey everybody, welcome back to chemistry. If I can increase the slide. So this question reads as follows. The formulas for ethane, ethene, and ethyne are C2H6, C2H4, and C2H2 respectively. Rank these compounds by the length of the carbon-carbon bond. Okay, if I can lower the slide. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to write out the three molecular formulas that we have. So one is C2H6, and this is a molecule called ethane. And then one is C2H4. This is called ethene. And then this next one is C2H2. This is a molecule called ethyne. Okay, so I think you can sort of see that all these molecules have two carbon atoms. And there is going to be some kind of bond between the carbon atoms. And you have to figure out here between these three molecules which has the longest carbon-carbon bond and which one has the shortest carbon-carbon bond. The only way you can really figure that out is if you draw correct Lewis structures for these three molecules. So I'm going to do that right now. So you can work out the Lewis structure on your, so you can work out the correct Lewis structure on your own, but I'll give it to you right now. So ethane looks like this. There's a carbon, single bond to another carbon. And then each of these carbons has three hydrogens attached. And if you look carefully at the carbons, they all have octets. So this is a very good Lewis structure. Okay, so let's draw ethene. What that looks like is this. You have carbon double bonded to another carbon, and then you have two hydrogens attached like this to each carbon atom. And then finally what you have is ethyne, which looks like this. You have carbon triple bonded to another carbon, and then emanating from each carbon is a hydrogen atom. Okay. So based on these Lewis structures, what you should be able to do is you should be able to go through your notes and figure out which of these molecules has the longest carbon-carbon bond and which has the shortest carbon-carbon bond and which one's in between. So I'll leave that up to you. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.